Have you ever wondered how you could get free houseplants? Let me show you how you can take clippings from your existing pothos plant and create new plants that you can enjoy in your home. This pothos is a perfect candidate for propagation with this one long stem coming off the main plant. So the first step, we're going to need to cut the vine, and you're going to make that cut just below a leaf node on that main stem. So next we're going to trim all of these leaves off of the main vine. You'll notice that there's already roots kind of growing at each of the nodes, so you're going to want to just snip on either side of that node. Now that everything's been cut, we're going to place all of the leaves in a glass of water. You want to make sure that the leaf nodes are all fully submerged so that they can develop a root system. Next, you're going to place the glass in a windowsill for about 2.5 weeks. Make sure to check on it periodically and add water so that the leaf nodes stay submerged. So these aren't the same plants that we just propagated. They're actually ones that I did about 2.5 weeks ago. But you can actually see that they are growing roots, and in some cases they're pushing out some new growth. You can see here this has some new growth. So these are ready to be transplanted. I'm going to pull them out of the water and I'm going to transplant them into a pot and then put them out on my front porch. All right. So we moved out into the backyard. I've got a pot and some soil. So we'll go ahead and transplant these guys right into the pot. Found a great spot right on the front porch for the new pothos plant.